Welcome, everybody, to the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week of 10-5. We have a nice short week in front of us. So we are sort of finishing up with the Ruth tradition. So we introduced the importance of historical context. When we initially read Ruth, we were a little bit amazed how much we read into it, the traditional female gender roles. But actually, if you put Ruth in its historical context, it is a quite subversive text that challenges the dominant religious and political narrative of the time. So what we're going to look at this week is sort of three hermeneutical principles, which is a fancy word for when we're reading ancient texts, these are three principles of interpretation, right? That sort of should govern our reading of Scripture. Of course, this is from a sort of a Catholic academic perspective. So we're going to see how Scripture should be placed in its historical and cultural context, and understand there's a difference between the historical and cultural context of, let's say, first century Palestine, if it's the Apostle Paul writing, and a 21st century American cultural context.
Everyone.
And so we also have individual passages should be read with an understanding of the entire thrust of Scripture. And for Christians, it should be read through the lens of Jesus. So we'll talk about those three important hermeneutical principles. Of course, we have our Psalm test on Monday, and we have some notes and an assignment which we'll be doing in class about Ruth. So I hope you all have a great short week and look forward to the break. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.